Welcome to our video guide where we unravel the complexities of managing your order structure within your website's admin area. Let's explore the tools and options available in the Order Structure tab to streamline your online sales process. Once inside your website's admin area, head to the Modules and Order Structure tabs. Here, you'll discover a comprehensive array of order structure elements. Tailoring each module to specific sales channels ensures a personalized experience for your customers. Effortlessly manage modules by rearranging them with the drag-and-drop function, toggle their status, and remove unnecessary modules to simplify the order process. Utilize the quick search, import-export settings, and display inactive and not installed modules for enhanced control over your order structure. Selecting a module from the list opens a world of possibilities. Edit, delete, or translate modules as needed. Clicking on the Edit button allows you to adjust the sort order, configure specific settings, and set restrictions based on various parameters. Customize module visibility on different pages, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers. Configure the use of the module for specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Modify order element titles and use translation features for a seamless multilingual experience, enhancing your website's accessibility to a global audience. Depending on the specific module, additional configurable parameters can be used to further refine your order management. By understanding and utilizing these tools, you are on your way to optimizing your e-commerce platform. Happy management and successful selling!